Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy and I'm back to share with you some tips on how to properly maintain your hearing aid during the circuit breaker period. So today we will be talking about the proper maintenance of a behind-the-ear hearing aid or a BTE hearing aid. So this is a BTE hearing aid. It is mainly composed of two parts, the hearing aid and the ear mold. The first step is to clean the ear mold. We start by carefully detaching the ear mold from the hearing aid like this. Then, prepare a bowl of water with mild soap and leave the ear mold in for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you may take out your ear mold and use a tissue or cloth to wipe it dry. As moisture may still retain inside the tubing, we will need to use an air syringe to flush out the water like so. Next, we will need to clean the hearing aid. So for this, we will need a piece of tissue and a cleaning spray. So spray once or twice on a tissue and then wipe your hearing aid with it. And then, with a cloth, use it to dry the hearing aid completely. Lastly, let's take a look at how to store your hearing aids every night. After cleaning the hearing aid and the ear mold, we will reattach the ear mold to the hearing aid. It is important to ensure that the ear mold is completely dry to prevent moisture from entering the hearing aid. Then, with a drying cup and a drying capsule, open up the battery door and place the hearing aid inside. Ensure that the lid is closed tightly. And that's all for today. I hope you learned a tip or two. Please like and follow our Facebook page for more of such videos. If you have any questions or if you have any content that you would like to see from us, please comment down below. The Listening Lab will still be open to serve your essential hearing needs during this circuit breaker period. See you next time!